Hey guys, Alex Ryan here, and if you are in Australia and you're looking to sell on Amazon in Australia, then thanks for dropping by. Let's get started. Good to have you back, guys. So, today's topic, we're going to be looking at how to sell on Amazon in Australia. And it's a very short video. I'm going to walk you through how to go about finding some product ideas for Amazon Australia. All right, so first of all, though, let me say, if you're a beginner at this, the biggest challenge most people have is they don't know what kind of product that they want to jump onto, all right? So I'm going to give you one or two product ideas now and niches, but I'm also going to show you a tool that you can use, and many of my students use we have a 2-day summit that we do on the Gold Coast and in Sydney, and we actually talk more about finding products, finding niches, and using more tools to find great products, all right? So, if you're a beginner at this, stay away from electronics, stay away from anything of a lot of moving parts, all right? So, like for example, electronics here, these little buds right here, where you put in your ears, right, the Bluetooth stuff, stay away from anything Bluetooth unless you have experience with it. But any electronics, any computers, laptops, DVDs, computer games, stay away from, right? They're big no-nos, all right? So we're going to type in something called, we're just going to type in baby products, right? And this is what I use, baby products. Here we go. Now, when you're jumping on a niche, it's very important to make sure you run the numbers. Most people, unfortunately, spend more time planning their trip to, Kuta in Bali than they do on the products, all right? So as you can sort of see here, we've got baby products popping up. Now this is just generic baby products. You do not want to be selling generic stuff. You want to be selling something specific, something niche in that baby niche, all right? But I'm going to run some numbers on this. Now it's very important, like I mentioned, guys, to use certain tools, all right? And this is just one of the tools that I use to estimate some profits and some turnover for me. So it tells me a few things. And if you want to gain access to this tool, on this video you will see there is a link where you can access this. We use about 5 or 6 tools. This is just one of them. But it tells me everything from the title of the product, right, the brand of the product, the category, the bestseller rank, which is important, right, the price of it, the net price after you deduct the FBA fee. Now, FBA stands for Fulfilled by Amazon, and it's a warehouse where they store your products and they send it to your customers. Now, you can do this yourself if you want, and in this case, you would save yourself, $3.99, but I would rather pay someone $3.99 to pick, pack, and ship the product to my customer. They also look after returns and warranties. They look after customer service. I would rather pay someone $4 to look after that for me, all right? It tells you your weight. Now, weight-wise, you want to keep it under a kilo, under 700 grams ideally. Reviews, now you want to go after products that have limited reviews, so products that don't have more than 300 reviews. If it has less than 100 reviews, that's even better, all right? So we're actually going to go after products that have less than 100 reviews. Less than 300, I still look at it, but less than 100 is kind of really where we lie, where I basically focus my attention on. So you can sort of see here the revenue. Now this is a 30-day window for revenue, and this is in Australian dollars, all right? You can see here $17,000 a month. They've got 131 sales a month. They've got 3 reviews. Now it's pretty good. Now, but the price is quite a lot. They're actually charging $131. Now, with this particular product, you want to stay under, with your product, you want to stay under $100. Let's have another look. Here we go. This one here, it's got $10,000 a month in revenue, AUD, 5 reviews. It weighs 500 grams, which is good. All right. Bestseller rank is ideal, is between 1,000 and 5,000. And the price point is actually not too bad as well. And it's a baby carrier, right? So now if I was interested in this baby carrier, right? Where was it? It was here. I click this profit calculator, and what it's going to do, if I can find on Alibaba the cost of this particular product, right, I can actually estimate the profit. Now let's say if a pure example cost me $20. The shipping cost was, let's say 10, okay? The cost per click, we'll leave that at 0 for now. The taxes, let's say tax-wise, you have to pay GST, okay, right? And product price was $98. Estimated sales 101, which is what they're selling. Now, you would still make $4,400 a month just selling one product, all right? So guys, it's very important to do your research. Go out there, do your research. If you are looking for coaching, if you're looking for a free video program, actually visit my website as well. But if you're looking for coaching, book yourself in to a team conversation. We actually do these conversations with our team, and you can jump on a phone call, usually 15 to 30 minutes, and you can basically, if you have product ideas, you can get feedback on those product ideas. If you're looking to get something started and you're serious, but not, you're not just curious. You're serious about starting a business. You're serious about generating a cash flow through Amazon. Then connect with one of our team members today. Give us a call. The number is 02-8003-7534. I'm based in Sydney. We're not American, all right? We're based here in Australia. We do conferences on the Gold Coast and in Sydney, and all our students are mainly Australians. So guys, give us a call. Connect with us today. My name is Alex Ryan. Thanks for joining. Have an awesome, awesome day. Bye-bye for now. The number one factor for success on Amazon comes down to your product. That's essentially it. It comes down to your product. If you don't have an awesome product, it's not going to sell. No matter how good your marketing is, it's just not going to sell. So most people go down the shotgun strategy, which is they have a shotgun, they try like 20 different products and fingers crossed, hope that it works, right? But that's no way to build a successful Amazon business, right? So you need to make sure that the product that you're selling is going to be a killer, it's going to be a winning product. That's how you make money on Amazon. Some people say they don't have the time, they don't have the money, they don't have the experience. Their husband won't let them, their wife won't let them, their pet rock won't let them. And listen, you've got two choices, right? You either make excuses or you make money. You can't do both, right? You either do one or the other. Now, personally, I would rather make money. I don't know about you, right? But that's something you got to commit to. Are you ready to make money? Are you committing to success? Are you ready to start your business on Amazon? It's a good question for you. Are you ready to find your hot product? Are you ready to launch your Amazon empire?